طيب what did you say? I will start right now with
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
اوكي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. معكم أستاذ عمر من قناة يلدز يوتيوب. هيك بدك هيك بتحب؟ بسم الله ونعم الوكيل.
بده يحط لك مستر، بده يحط لك اوترو انترو.
طيب يلا تفضل اعطينا جواد، اعطينا الانترو يلا.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله أعزائنا الماثماتيشنز في فيديو جديد مع أستاذ عمر من السالم. اليوم اليوم معنا درسات وسوف نبدأ الحين.
يلا بسم الله. Okay, yesterday we started with adding, multiplying, and subtracting polynomials, but today we'll start with dividing polynomials, okay? Yeah, dividing polynomials. Dividing polynomials. All right, so what do I mean by dividing polynomials? He will give it to you a polynomial and you need to divide it. As an example, I'll just give it to you directly an example. Sometimes, for example, you see this, you say x squared plus 5x plus 6, and you need to divide it by a polynomial x plus 2 as an example, all right? And they want you to find the answer of it. They want you to find the answer of this one. So what is going to equals? Actually, here I'm going to use dividing polynomials. Foil? What is foil? No, not foil. Not foil. All right, dividing polynomials, we have three types of techniques. Technique number one, it's using something called factoring. Technique number two, it's called long division. Technique number three, it's called scientific division. All right, so right now we have three techniques and I will teach you all of them. First technique is called factoring, second technique called long division, a third one it's called a scientific division. All right, let's start by factoring first. Once you have a question and you're able to factor it, by the way of factoring is the best way if you are good with the factoring. If you are good with factoring, use the factoring way. What do I mean by if you are good with factoring? Let's say that, let's talk about the numerator and let's try to factor the numerator, right? And what do I mean by let's factor the numerator? Like, let's try to think about two numbers. If you multiply them, you get a 6, and if you add them, you get a 5. Multiply to get the 6 and add to get the 5. What are they? 3 and 2. So you say x plus 2 and x plus 3, right? So now, if you are able to factor, use factoring. You factor it like this. All right, so instead of saying x squared plus 5x plus 6, I'm going to replace it with this, okay, equivalent form. So it is going to be x squared plus 5x. Sorry for this. Sorry for this. I'm just using.
I'm still no problem.
Yes. So sorry. So now I have an x squared plus 5x plus 6. All right, all over x plus 2. What I told you to use, and instead of x squared plus 5x plus 6, what I use, I'm going to use this, yes? So
negative 2?
I'll use all of it, sir. All of it, not only negative 2. So just replace instead of this by x plus 2, x plus 3, all over x plus 2.
Oh, okay.
And now obviously that what you would
cancel.
do, you will just cancel, exactly. Cancel and cancel, and you will have a x plus 3. He would never ask a question that you would not cancel. Most of the questions that he will ask you, that will cancel one time. It have to be canceled, all right? Because if it's not gonna cancel, so there is no point to do it.
Mr. I remember the synthetic division was the best, صح?
Which is the best? It's actually the fastest. And if you are good with it, you will feel good with that. That's about the factoring. But before moving on to the next concept, I'm gonna say it is here. It is a squared. There is a formula that says a squared minus b squared. Once you have an a squared minus b squared, what is it? Do you know what is it? A squared minus b squared.
Yes.
What is it, Jawad?
I think it's like wait, it's 2a.
2a
minus 2ab.
minus 2ab
minus or plus? I'm not
Plus,
sure.
plus.
Okay, plus 2ab, come on.
2ab.
And then
Minus?
minus b.
B
2b.
square. B
عادي
square.
عادي هيك.
Oh, yeah.
Plus what? Just one more plus, Jawad.
B.
Just one plus. Plus B.
والله I knew it, Mr. والله.
I was like,
Mister,
I
I was looking at it, I'm like, Mister, I've never seen this in my life. عارف انت Mr.
Well,
like,
same. I remember it was like something like, okay, nice.
I guess this coffee has something, by the way.
انا طلع شجره انا حسيتك انا قاعد بدنا عليه بس.
طيب A plus B, A minus B. Jawad, I need your camera down.
مثلا I know بس يعني الضوء جاي هيك I'm doing this.
هلا مستر لما تكون ببراكت هيدي بقى بتصير a squared minus 2ab minus b squared صح؟
Exactly. If it's like A minus B like that, exactly. It's going to be A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. Okay? A squared minus 2AB plus
This
B
is
squared.
what I was talking about. Yes, this one.
Type. So basically, how question is going to be like this? Maybe you will have an x squared minus 25. Okay, how you factor it? X squared minus 25. What do you do?
square root both maybe ويطلع لك x equal 5.
But this thing you do it if you have an equal 0. You do what you said. But no, I don't have an equal 0. Okay, I have like this expression and I want to do it. I want to factor it. How you will factor it? I will show you. You will factor it using this. You say open a brackets and open another one.
X
say,
times 5, x times 5.
X minus 5, x plus 5. Okay, x minus 5, x plus 5. One more. Let's say that x squared minus, all right, plus 9. What is it? X squared plus 9. What is it?
Minus 3 plus 3 plus 3.
Jawad?
Yes.
What is going to be this one?
It's going to be like x, and then you do plus 9, and then dash.
There's no answer.
Why?
Why there's no answer? Because there's no minus. It's
oh, it's negative.
Yeah,
my bad.
If it's a positive, you cannot. Okay, it's not factorable.
Okay.
It's not factorable. Like you cannot factor it. You cannot
factor it. I have a weird question. Can you multiply the equation by negative? ولا حرام?
What you said? Can you
multiply the equation by negative?
The question, or you said the equation? The
equation.
Okay. If I have an equation, I can. Do I have an equation? I don't have an equation. The concept of saying equation, bara, it means that you have an equal 0, for example. Now you can do whatever you want, but no. Okay. Basically, if you will know it, it's not factorable in a real world, in real numbers. No, I don't know if you're familiar with the complex numbers. This one can be factorable by what? By complex numbers. I don't know if you know it.
I don't.
Okay, like this one, x squared plus 9. It is gonna be x plus 3i, x minus 3i. Imaginary, exactly, imaginary numbers. But now, for now, not. For now is not. There is nothing. Are we good?
Yes, can we write this?
Okay. Done? Bara?
Yes, mister.
Okay, so now my example I will give it to you is this. Simplify. The question is simplify. Let's try to simplify this. Three x squared minus 75 over x plus 5. Give yourself a minute. Or wait, not this.
75.
Let's say that it's going to be over x squared minus 10x plus 25.
Okay.
Yalla, have fun.
تمام. بس فينا نستخدم كالكوليتر ولا لا؟
What?
كالكوليتر.
What do you use a calculator for, sir?
بدي اشوف ال
Okay.
3x squared minus 75.
Okay. Jawad, I don't see you working.
Mr. I'm texting Barak.
Okay, but please, where is your notebook? Where is your things?
Here, right here.
Yeah, come on, let me see you working.
Okay.
هلا مستر I have a question.
Yeah.
هلا 75 السي تاعتها بتكون 0 فبتكون كيف يعني؟
What?
I did the quadratic one on the bottom ماشي؟ بعدين لي بس التوب فالتوب ما بعرف يعني ما في شيء انه 75 يعني ما في سكوير روت ل 75 بيكون real number.
كيف براء كيف يعني you did the bottom one?
انه
Explain to me.
I عملت لها بس simplify انه x minus 5 x plus 5 بس لحظة خليني اجيب شغله.
Barak, why are you late, Mr. Barak?
Mister, I am very sick and I was asleep. Like, I just woke up. I'm sorry about that.
عليك عافية. لا بأس عليك.
مستر انا I got 3 مستر ما بعرف لو صح بس
Should I do?
Can you do it, please?
All right, let's stay with you for a minute, please. How you do this question? First of all, from numerator, you take a 3 as a common factor. 3 as a common factor. What is going to be inside? Is going to be inside x squared minus 25. Yeah or not?
Sure.
We took a 3 as a common factor, sir, from here and there. If you want to recheck, you multiply the 3 inside and the 3 inside like this. 3 times x squared, it's 3x squared. 3 times minus 25, it is minus 75. And now the denominator part, it's going to be like this. It's just say that x and x, two numbers multiply to get to 25 and add to get to negative 10. I'm going to say it's a negative 5 and negative 5. You agree or not?
Yes, Mr.
All right. Then this one, as you see, this one, it's an a squared minus b squared, the formula. You remember the formula I just talked about? So the 3 outside,
yes.
It is going to be x minus 5, x plus 5. All right? X minus 5, x plus 5. And all of that is over what? All of that is over x minus 5, x plus 5. So basically, you just cancel the x plus 5 with the x plus, one of them. Wait, that's a mistake. That's an x minus 5, x minus 5. No, both of them minus. You cancel the minus with the minus. So you still have a 3x plus 15 over x minus 5. And that is your answer.
Yeah, Mr. I have a question.
Yeah, but I have an answer.
Mr. You said x squared minus 25 is the same as that. Okay, I get that.
Yeah.
But then you said it's the same as x minus 5, x plus 5.
No, I'm not saying this one is the same as x minus 5, x plus 5. Yeah, this one you mean? This one? This one?
Yes, yes.
Yes, a formula, yeah, but it's a squared minus b squared.
Eh,
Sure
but
formula.
the squared, Mr. 25 isn't squared. You replace it with 5 squared, يعني?
Yes, 5 squared, sure.
تمام.
Good. This is what we call dividing by factoring. Okay.
Yes.
This is what we call dividing by factoring. I can solve the same question. I can solve the same question, but with long division, and I'll show you how you solve it using long division.
So can we write this, please?
Yeah, take a minute. Done?
One minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Look.
1 second, Mr.
يلا يا باشا.
آخر step. Mr. I have another question, sorry. Sam.
Yeah.
Mr. أنا عندي مشكلة بالماث ماشي. I don't know when to stop. Mr. هلا you say this is the answer, but don't we need to find the x ولا كيف؟
لا, maybe most likely the question here is going to be multiple choice, so you choose the answer. Okay, that's the answer. Choose it. The concept of find the value of x. You will find the value of x when you have an equation, yeah, bara. And here we don't have an equation. Here it just simplify expressions. Okay, so that's the simplest form because I can't do nothing. I can't do anything more. That's it. This is it. Okay. طيب. Now let's start by talking about a long division. Did you hear about the long division before? Did you hear about the long division before?
I
Yes.
think yes.
Okay. So the long division concept is basically this. It's, for example, let's say that I will divide 9 over 2 or 4, whatever. 9 over 4. Okay. How you divide 9 over 4? You say that how many 4s there are inside how many 9s, how many 4s inside this 9s. You say it's going to be 2. 2 times 4 is going to be 8. You subtract, you get a 1. So basically, somehow, that's what we call an answer. And that's what we call it a remainder. Yes or not? So I have an answer and I have a remainder. Any problem? No, you don't have a problem. But now, what if I have x squared plus 5x plus 6? You want to divide it using over x plus 2, but using what? Using long division. How can I divide using long division? How I will do it? I will show you how you do it. First thing you would do is you try to do it with long division way. You write the numerator, you write it here. All right, over x plus 2. Any problem for now? Okay, then what do you do next? So first of all, you write the long division way. Second thing, you start with the first value in here and the first value in there. The first and the first, okay? Careful with that. You just do this, x squared divided by x. Mentally try to find the answer mentally. X squared divided by x. What is the answer? What is the answer? X. Write it up. Write the x up. And then after you write the x up, again, listen, steps are take the first in here and the first in there. X, like the first value in here, the first value in there. And then multiply inside. X times x, it is x squared. X times 2, it is going to be 2x. Do you see what I'm doing? Then I'm going to do something called subtraction. And here you have to be careful because you're going to do mistakes on the subtraction, right? Subtraction and put a bracket. So what do you say? You say x squared minus x squared is a 0. And 5x minus 2x, what is it? 5x minus 2x?
3x.
Thank you. All right, I finished. I will take the 6 down again. I will repeat this step. What is this step I'm talking about? I'm talking about I will take the first value in here, the first value in there. I will try to divide it mentally. So I will try to divide the 3x over x. Okay? I will try to divide it mentally. What is the answer is going to be?
3.
Positive 3, sir. So it's going to be positive 3. Then this positive 3, I'm going to take it and I'm going to re-multiply it up. So we'll take the 3 by x, and a 3 by 2. So 3 times x, what is it? It is a 3.
like remainder 0, Mr.
3 times 2 is going to be 6. You subtract, and basically 3x minus 3x, 0. 6 minus 6 is a 0, so there is no remainder. Once there is no remainder, so this is only your answer. So the answer of this expression is x plus 3. And if you remember, we did it using factoring. Look, we did it using factoring. Same question, we did it using factoring. For sure, I did that just to show you that if you can use a factoring, use it because it's faster. It's easier.
So can you go back to the division? I'm going to write it.
Okay, but all right, are we good? So one more time for long division. What just happened? What just happened? It happens like this. First of all, we did what? First of all, we took the first value in here. Okay, we took the first value in here and the first value in there. I found the answer. It's an x. I wrote it here. Then I multiplied. What I multiplied the value of x inside x times x, x squared. X times 2 is 2x. Then I subtracted. Okay, we have a 3x plus 6. I took again the value of 3x and the x, divide them, get the answer. Redo it until you have an answer.
Nice.
Keep it up.
Mr. Can we write?
Yeah, if you want to write, write. If you don't want to write, don't write. Oh, nice. I forget to record.
ما اللي ضيعت الانترودكشن.
لا it's recorded. Oh, it's okay. It's recorded.
Okay, good.
Mr. It's recording يا Mr.
والله انا خفت كمان. نسيت.
عادي بس شو بصير اذا ما عملت ريكورد يعني وصل بيك فيديو.
بتصير انه انتم ما بتشوفوا الدرس مره ثانيه.
That's a good point.
Done, bro.
نو مستر ضيعت انا عم بطلع على الاكزامبل عشان ما بحب اللونج ديفيجن ابدا. هلا مستر نزلنا 3x بلس 6. هلا بقى هلا شو بقى هلا يعني
one more time we take a 3x, we take a x, we divide it here beside.
مره ثانيه بالاكس.
مره ثانيه exactly.
طب متى بنستخدم ال 2؟
ايه 2؟
البلس 2 امتى بنعملها؟
لا ال 2 only you use it only when you remultiply. When you find the answer is 3, you multiply it with x, you multiply by 2. Yeah, always one first with the first, always. Done.
ثواني يا مستر.
ثواني ولا صحون؟
بس انت عامل ريكورد عم تقول هالاشياء.
عادي مو مشكلة. I'm your teacher. I'm allowed. The things that I'm allowed to, you are not. صح؟
عراسنا يا مستر عراسنا.
لا شوي مين عراسنا انت ولا لا. شو.
All right, one more example about long division. Let's say I have 5x squared. Let's do it with the cube. Let's say I have a 5x cube minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. And I want to divide it by, I want to divide it over, sorry, x minus 3. Okay, how should I do it? I would do it like this. First of all, you use a long division and say it's going to be 5x cubed plus minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. It's divided by x minus 3. All right, the strategy is this. The strategy is this. Try to use the first value and the first value. Mentally try to find the answer of it. 5x cubed divided by x. What is it?
5x squared.
It's 5x squared, right? The answer that you have in here.
Yes.
5x squared, okay? 5x squared. You take the 5x squared and you are multiplying the 5x squared in the first one and in the second one. So 5x squared times x, it is going to be 5x cubed. 5x squared times minus 3, it's going to be minus 15x squared, I guess. Yes? Is
Yes, yes,
And
yes.
now what you do, I told you, you will subtract, but you have to be careful when you
You
subtract.
multiply by minus.
You multiply by minus both, all right? So
Mm,
5x squared minus 5x cubed is going to be 0.
Zero.
Minus 3 plus 15, minus 3 plus 15
12.
plus 12 x squared. And then you take everything down. You
والله
repeat
نرجع
again.
x
Repeat again.
12x
One
squared
first,
divided by
the
x.
first with the first. So 12x squared divided by x. What is it?
12x.
It's a 12x. So the answer is positive 12x. All right, it is positive 12x. And then you take the 12x and you multiply it with the first, that's 12x. You multiply by the first one with x and multiply by the second one, which is a 3. So what I have a 12x squared minus 12 times 3, it is going to be what? 12 times negative 3.
الجواب حيكون 40x. صح؟
Exactly, Mr. Bara. 12x squared minus 12x squared is going to be 0. 4 minus 36 is going to be 40x. You take a plus 1 down again. You do it 1/3 time, mister. You do it 1/3 time. And how I will do it 1/3 time? It's going to be like this. I'll take
40x
the 40.
divided by
I will
x,
divide by
40.
x. It is going to be 40 only. 40 times x. Okay, let's delete this so you're not going to be missed. I will take this 40. I'll take this 40. I'm going to multiply this 40 by x and this 40 by negative 3. So it's going to be 40x. 40 times negative 3 is going to be minus 120. Now you subtract, okay, and don't forget you subtract both. So you get a 0 and a plus 121. Yes? Basically, you just finished. You finished. What is your answer you have at the end? Your answer you have at the end is this. This one, okay, this lovely one. That's your answer, 5x squared plus 12x plus 40. That is my answer of this expression, all right?
Wait,
I'm gonna
لسه
delete
بس ما بنعمل addition لل 121 او ما بنعمل فيها شيء.
لا, 121 I will tell you what to do. So that was the question. The answer of it, okay, the answer of it, it's equals to, what is your answer? Is the answer is as a f5x squared plus 12x plus 40 plus you didn't finish, all right? You do a fraction, you say whatever your remainder is over the same fraction. Careful about this one, okay? It's important and it is easy and it's important at the same time.
يعني شو بنعمل بال 121؟
That's it. خلاص.
ما فهمت. بنحطها بال
وين؟
بنحطها بال
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
خذ وقتك.
جواد قول بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا جواد شو بك؟ قال لي.
بسم الله.
بنحطها بال denominator.
Exactly. لا, you do whatever your remainder is, sir, over the same fraction.
يعني over 121.
لا, 121 over your divisor, this one.
اوكي يعني هي الإجابة بس اوكي يعني بس لل 121.
Yes, بس the 121. شو الجواد? What is it?
سهلة.
synthetic
So
أحلى
will
بس.
we use synthetic division?
I will. But I'm just
Ah.
teaching you now steps, strategies, and then you can use whatever you want. Okay.
Okay.
But the concept of long division, you can use it for everywhere. The synthetic division has a special rules, has a special like a specific how can I say it? We have a special things to do if you want to use the synthetic division. Okay, you cannot use the synthetic division in everywhere. You know this.
Yes.
Okay, I will teach you. Now we finished for long division. Do we have a problem for now? Is there any problem, Raya?
No.
Okay, nice. Now what you would do, now let's try to talk about the synthetic division. Synthetic division.
So synthetic division بس أفخم.
Before I start with the concept of synthetic division, you have to understand something with polynomials, something called the standard form.
عادي plus 0x cube plus 0.
Yes, exactly. Standard form of a polynomial.
Oh.
Right. What is the standard form of a polynomial? What is it basically? What is the standard
Cube
form of a
plus
polynomial?
squared plus x plus number.
It's basically you just look for whatever the question is going to give it to you. For example, let's say that he gave me 3x power 4 plus 2x squared plus 1 as an example.
Illegal.
That's illegal. Exactly. That's not standard form. What do I mean by standard form, by the way? Here, what is the power, maximum power you see? You see power 4, yes? Power 4. All right. Do you see power 3 now? Like I have to see every power, like the descending value. Like a power 4, I need to see it by my eye. Power 3, I need to see it by my eye. Power 2, I need to see it by my eye. And then power 1, I need to see it. And a constant, I need to see it. What do I mean by this? Look, now here I have a power 4, yes? Do we have a power 3? Do you see power 3? No. So what should I do? I will do this. I'm just going to move them to right. I will say, please move right somehow. Okay? Please move right to the right somehow. And it's going to be plus 0 execute. All right? Plus 0 execute. You see? All right. Now that's good. I have a power 4. I have a power 3. I have a power 2. Do I have a power 1? Do I have a power 1? No, I don't. I'm going to move the plus 1 other side like this somehow, right? And then I'm going to add by myself plus 0x. And now, because you know that 0x like x power 1, there is no power for x. Now I feel good. Power 4, power 3, power 2, power 1, and a constant. Now it's a standard form. Okay? If you want to use synthetic division, you have to make your polynomial, make your polynomial in standard form.
بس بتضل أسهل.
طبعا. All right. If you don't know the synthetic, Jawad, you know the synthetic?
Yeah, mister.
You know it? Do you know this way?
No, actually, I don't.
You put a huge line.
Okay, let's
and then I think the two polynomials
give me the mic.
each other.
Give me the mic, Basha. Okay, let's do this. Right, let's do this. We did this one with the long division. I'm gonna do it right now with the scientific division, okay?
Scientific, yalla, okay.
Yes. Type. Before I start with the scientific, do I have a standard form? Do I have an SF? Is it standard form, this one? Power 3, power 2,
no, you don't.
power 1, and a constant.
The one above, yes. The one below, you don't. I think both of them have to be in standard form.
I have no, even the one below, it is a standard form, sir.
Are they both in standard form?
Yes, because that's a power 3, power 2, power 1, and a number.
Yeah,
all right.
true.
And here it's okay. So what should you do? I will tell you what should you do. Stay with me for a minute. First of all, you do like a line. Oh, wait, you do a line. No, this is not a line. You do a line, you do a line. You write only the coefficients, Jawad. Coefficients of the numerator. Only
yeah,
the
I remember this.
So you take a 5, you take a -3, You take a 4.
And then at the end, Mister, you
Can I get
remove
it
one
one?
of the cubes. يعني بتعمل
خليه يا اخي شو هيك بصلتك محروقه يا اخي. Okay, so we took all the coefficients. That's first. Second of all, what I'm gonna do here, I have to write a number. Okay, I have to write a number. What is it? The number is gonna be the solution of denominator. يعني you take x minus 3, you make it equal 0. X minus 3, make it equal 0 and find the answer and tell me what is your answer. What is the answer? What is the answer right now?
3.
3. So x equals 3. So you write in here positive 3. Are you good with the strategy? First of all, check the standard form. Second of all, write the coefficients. Third of all, take the denominator, make it equal 0. Now, fourth step. Step number 4.
Oh wait, I know this.
Type. Okay. Step number 4 is take the first value down. Take the first value down.
Yeah.
Only the first value, take it down. That's step number 4. Or wait, step number 5, this one. Step number 6 is take the 3 multiplied by 5. Write your answer in here. Like step number 3 or 5, 6 is going to be, if you go diagonally, you multiply. And if you go vertically, you add. Add. So 3 times 5, what is it? 3 times 5? 3 times 5? 3 times 5?
15.
15. All right, and then I will go vertically, so I'm gonna add minus 3 and 15, 12. You go
Times
vertically,
3.
you multiply.
36.
3 times, it's gonna be 36. You go vertically,
40,
you multiply.
120.
120, you add, what is it?
121.
121. Basically, you finished. Thank you so much.
Oh,
Everything is
can you repeat that stuff?
No.
okay. Burak. Which step? And are you good with the concept of saying positive 3?
Yeah.
Are you good with the concept of taking the first number same?
Yeah.
All right. Now, what should I do? I will take this positive 3 and I will multiply it by 5 and write the answer. Okay. And then whatever the answer here, you multiply. When you're taking the 3, you multiply it. All of this, if you're taking the 3, the left one, you distribute it by multiplication. All right. And then if you're doing this, this is addition here. Now, 3 times 5, what is it? 15.
15.
And now 3 plus 15, what is it? Minus 3 plus 15, sorry.
12.
12. 3 times 12, 36. And it's a 40. 3 times 40, what is it?
120.
And add at the end 121. All right, basically here we finished. All right, listen carefully. The first number on the right, you say this is the remainder. That is my remainder. And the next one is going to be a number, a constant. And the next one is going to be what? Is going to be x. This one is going to be with x squared. So basically your answer is going to be like this, following. Listen carefully for this. What do you say? You say the answer is going to be 5x squared. Okay, look, 5x squared. Here, what is the sign of this 12? It's a positive, yes? So I will say plus 12x plus 40. And what is your remainder? 121 over the same fraction. And basically you just did the same one. You just solved the same question.
Mister, now we move one back. يعني instead of cube, we go to square.
خلاص, that's the answer. Yes, we
will.
will.
بس أنا أعمل لك إنه.
Final answer, as you mean.
إنه instead of cube, now we write square.
Now everyone try to solve this one, please. Let's do this. 5x power 4 plus. All right, let's do it harder, okay? I will do it with power 5. So let's do it like this. 5x power 5 plus 2x power 4 plus 3x squared plus 1. All of that divided by x minus or plus 1.
We do this?
Yeah, do this, yes.
Long division or synthetic?
Take a picture. What do you think? Obviously synthetic. Do it. Take a picture and send me on WhatsApp.
We can't take pictures. Well, we have the phone. خلاص بس ببعت لك الجواب.
Jawad, that's this one is Jawad. Burak, that's a mistake, yeah, Burak. You didn't do it standard for me, Burak.
What?
You
Oh,
didn't do it standard form, yeah, Burak.
yeah, I did.
Jawad, show me your answer.
ده مثلا لسه عم حل ثواني. ثواني واحدة. Mister, I'm doing it on my on the Chromebook screen. Wait.
مستر I did it بس ما فيني ابعت لك اياه. فيني بس اورجيك على التليفون هيك من فوق.
جوني.
تمام. لحظة. فليب. عملت فليب. تمام. مستر.
Go up. Go up. لا حبيبي مو عم لك يعني اب. تمام. Go up شوي. تمام واقف stop. 520301 520301. Okay. Then what is the number on the left? I didn't see it. I can't see it.
1 over x plus 1.
-1. Okay.
ثواني مستر لحظة لا لاقي لك الجواب ثانية.
What is the number on light? Bra.
الفراكشن.
Is it 1 or 11? This one?
No, it's 1 over x plus 1.
Yeah, nice. Good job.
Thank you, Mister.
Burak still not correct, yeah, Burak.
Mister. Why?
Okay, why? Jawad, listen to me.
Yeah,
we have a 5x squared plus 2x power 4 plus. Here we have, you see, Burak, we have a power 5, we have a power 4. Where is the power 3? Do we have a power 3?
No, so it's 0.
So it's 0. I will add a power 3 by
Wait,
myself.
why is
Okay?
it 0 though? Listen, mister. Let's say, okay, it's gonna be plus 1x3, صح?
At this case, listen, Jawad. When I'm saying 0x cubed, basically I'm changing nothing. Like if I have an expression and you are adding a 0 for it, it's actually you're changing nothing. But if you are adding an 1x cubed, you are adding something from your mind, and that's a mistake. But when you're saying that 0x cubed, basically you're changing nothing, and it's you just, if you have 1,000, and I would say, okay, I will give it to you as 0 next to the 1,000. So do you have any more? You didn't have any more.
10,000.
Yes, Jannah, inshallah. Okay, so basically this is what I say: x power 5, x power 4, and there is a 0x power 3. And now listen: power 5, power 4, power 3, power 2, power 1. Do I have a power 1? No, I don't. So I'm gonna move one other side, and I will move it here, and I will do a 0x power 1. And now I have a standard form yet, Barak. Okay. And what I told you, you do this, you do that. Write the coefficients. Now, Barak, if you didn't do it in standard form, the coefficients are not going to be correct. Not going to be correct. Okay, careful about this one. So what I'm doing coefficients like this: 5, 2, a 0, a 3, a 0, and a 1. What I'm writing again, I'm writing only the coefficients: 5, 2, 0, 3, 0, and a 1. All right, what is the number supposed to be on the left?
Negative.
Just take it. Exactly. You move it, make it equal 0, so x equals to -1. So basically, this -1, it's here. Then what is the next step? The next step is take the first value, same. Don't touch the first value. Then now you distribute the -1 inside. So you say -1 times 5, it's a -5, and you add -3. You distribute again with -1. Plus a 3, you add. It's a 3. -1 times a 3, it's a -3. You add. It's a 0. -1 times a 0, it's a 0. You add. It's a 0. So you -1 times a 0, it's a 0. You add, it's a 1. So you basically somehow you finished, right? All of them are done. Everything's good. So that's what you do at the end. The last answer you have is your remainder. And this is basically the number, the constant. And that's going to be with x. That's going to be with x squared. That's going to be with x cubed. And that's going to be with x power 4. So the final answer you have, the final answer is going to be this: 5x power 4 minus 3x cubed plus 3x squared. Actually, 0x, I don't have to write it. It's 0x, and there is no need to write it, okay? And 0, there is no need to write it, but only the remainder is 1 over what? Over the same fraction. Good?
If you write it, it's no problem, so.
Okay, but prefer not. Because this question is going to be multiple choice, Yabara, and when you have a multiple choice question, okay, you cannot. Before I move on, you have to know that there are some restrictions to use. There are some restrictions to use synthetic. All right, here, use synthetic. Use it only when you divide by, only by like x plus a value. Listen, only when you divide by x plus value. What do I mean by this? Yani if you have a 3x plus, you're dividing by 3x plus 1, don't use synthetic. Don't use synthetic. Only one case, which is the coefficient of x is 1. The variable of x is 1, only 1. Type. Someone will say, Mister, can I use it without doing this? Yes, you can, but you have to do something else. Yani, listen. Let's say that I have a 3x squared plus 5x plus 7. You want to divide it by 3x plus 1. The best way here to use, don't use synthetic. Use the long division. تمام? If you want to use synthetic, يعني أنت مصر بدك تستعمل السynthetic, you can, but in one condition. What is it? Here you cannot have a 3x. You have the coefficient of this one have to be 1. طيب, what should I do now? You should not do now is divide every term by 3. You can do this also. يعني the question is going to be 3 divided by 3 is going to be x squared plus 5 over 3x plus 7 over 3 over 3 divided by 3. It's going to be only x plus 1 over 3. Look how hard the question is if you want to use synthetic with this specific question.
مستر أنا loyal.
إيش loyal? Let's synthetic. طيب, can you solve this one if you were loyal?
لا مستر لا.
That's what I thought.
يلا مستر. My calculator?
لا.
خلاص لك.
Mister, can you do long division with a calculator or no?
I think you
See
can.
some questions.
Huh? Bad.
Well, you can.
Mister,
You
can
asked
you
something?
do? Yeah, I did.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I didn't hear you. Say again.
Can you do long division with a calculator?
No.
Oh, okay.
All right, now let's try to find some questions about it, okay? About long division. Do this, question 16.
16, okay.
Equivalent يعني نفس الشيء.
Mister, I think the easiest way to do it is
يعني simplify.
with the crossway, like you know what I'm saying.
No, this is synthetic because I'm بقول لك only a minus 3.
Can you solve this one by synthetic?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, Mr. والله I'm kind of confused. وين كنا بنحط the other ones? So wait, we put the 2, 1, 5.
Wait, انت الويت.
We put the 2 minus 5 and 1 up. وين بنحط the 3 minus 3?
مستر كيف؟ مستر it should be 11. ننزل 2 times 3 6 5 plus 6 11.
It's -5, but
Oh.
Wait, so we multiply by minus 3 ولا
يا براء يا silly mistake.
minus 3 ولا 3 هاي؟ نحطها.
I do not know.
no, it's 3.
Try it. If you want me to solve it, I will solve it.
No.
So one second.
3 ولا minus 3 نحط؟
1 times 3.
3.
Mister, I founding the answer.
You founding?
اخترعته.
ماشي.
I found it.
How? Isn't the first one supposed to be squared?
I found the answer, Mister.
Squared? No, you just bring it down.
Oh yeah.
No, I mean like it's 2a squared, right?
Sir.
No, 2a squared turns into 2a because you're doing the every time you do synthetic, you just remove one of the, like for example, if you begin with cube, it becomes squared. If you have like power 7 million, it becomes power 6,999,999.
Okay, thank you.
Don't thank me, thank Mr. Omar.
Should I do it for you?
It's the Mister.
Okay, first of all, if you want to use synthetic division, check. Is this one as a coefficient of 1? Yes. This one has a coefficient of 1. So what you're gonna do is gonna be this: 2a squared minus 5a minus 1. Oh wait, what I'm doing? Use synthetic division like this. Take the coefficients. Is it a standard form? Yes. 2 minus 5 minus 1. Here, you take it, you solve it, you make it equal 0, you get a 3. The first value always the same. Multiply 2 times 2 is going to be 6. Add 1. 3 times 1, it's a 3. Add, it's 2. That's a remainder. And that's the number. And that's going to be with x. So basically, your answer is going to be 2x plus 1. And the remainder is plus 2 over a minus 3. And and it's D. Easy? Easy. Easy يا عزيزي صح؟
صح يا مستر.
يلا do 17.
مستر نو لازم نعمل لونج ديفيجن الا لو بعمل ديفايد ل 2.
But I'm kind of confused. هنا
يا والله long division confuses.
Yeah.
Should I do it?
مستر 1 second 1 second.
Yes.
اعطينا مجال مستر اعطينا مجال. شو اي x plus b represents the خلاص تمام 15.
Can you hear my voice, guys?
مستر حلا
Can you hear
حلا
my voice, guys?
Yes yes مستر
Yeah,
please
we
solve
can
it
hear you.
solve it مستر solve it خلاص.
Mr. Is it C?
I don't know why this is not pasting. I'm doing copy, but it's not pasting.
So I go والله long division بوجع لي راسي. Wait, mister, can you give us another minute? حاك علي.
Oi, brother. I'm the host now.
ليش بتتحمس كل مرة؟
براء بتتذكر لما آخر مرة ايش سويت؟ أنا
انت يا نو
recording.
انت نوتي.
Hey yo, the teacher's here, Anis.
Give me the house.
Okay, what is your name? Okay, I found you. Okay, I gave it to you. Wait, no, I did not. Wait. 1 second. Make.
Jawad the host يا جواد مش the co-host.
Sorry. Withdraw co-host permission. Okay, Mr. You're the host now. صح؟ لا. Make host. Okay, correct. Good.
مستر فيك ترجع على السؤال عشان لقيت الجواب.
But you know what I did? I tried to, change Mr's username into Omar, his family, and then host between brackets. It still did not work. بس يلا.
يا جواد.
برا يعني كان في أمل.
لا شو يعني ما هيك بده يعمل سكرين شوت. مستر اوكي 1 سكند خليك هون بليز مستر قلت بليز. هلا شو اي اكس بلس بي شو بدهم لقيت الجواب حلو عني بقى. عشان بيعمل substitute. بس لقيت الجواب شو بدهم مني مش فاهم. الو.
Yeah, okay.
مستر ويت انا لقيت الجواب هلا شو بعمل؟ عم بيقول لي if ax plus b represents the simplified form of the expression above
All right,
then
what is the
the
answer you found? What is the answer you found?
3x minus 2.
3x minus 2, that's a mistake. You have a mistake.
كيف؟
Let me show you. Okay, let me show you. First of all, can I use synthetic division?
No.
No, I cannot. Why? Because I have a coefficient and that's going to be a problem if I used it. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to use a long division.
يجينا
The
remainder
long
0
division
يا
is
مستر.
6x squared plus 19x plus 10 divided by 2x plus 5. How was the long division? The long division was this.
6x
Take the first value in here.
over 2.
Take the first value in there. 6x squared divided by 2x. And write the answer.
3x.
It's going to be 3x.
صح.
So write the 3x in here and multiply the 3x with the 2x, multiply the 3x with the 5. 3x times 2x is going to be 6x squared. 3x times 5 is going to be 15x. And then you subtract.
بصير عندك
6x squared minus 6x squared is going to be 0. 19 minus 15 is going to be what? It is going to be 4x plus 10. And now, mentally again, try to take the first value in here with the first value in there. You divide them, 4x divided by 2x. What is the answer? It's a 2.
طب بس يعني خلص positive 2.
So 2 times 2x is going to be 4x. And 2 times 5 is going to be 10. You subtract, you get an answer as a remainder is 0 and 0, all right? So what is the answer you have at the end? I guess I have at the end, it's a 3x plus 2. If you compare it with the things that they're saying, ax plus b, so it means that the a is equals to 3 and the b is equals to 2. Right? He's asking for a plus b, so he's asking for 3 plus 2, which is, it's a 5. Okay? Right, guys.
يعني ليش هالفلسفة؟
بيحبوا يتفلسفوا معنا.
Mister, can we do the question under it? Yeah.
Can we do question what?
This one, can we do 18?
Yeah, we will do 18. Sure. Yeah, let's take a minute to do 18. Give me a minute, I'll back. But take a minute, take solve 18. Okay, I'm coming.
بس ما فينا لازم نركز على الاكويبمنت تاعتك حتى ناخد سكرين شوتس ولا شيء.
لا تاكل هم انا I'm here. I'm not going. I'll go anywhere.
تمام.
Bro, I can't solve this.
Bro, shush. Bro, you're the only reason we're doing this.
Because I can't solve it.
Bro, don't talk to me.
I'm sorry.
It's fine, I forgive you. Over 2x is equal to 2x, صح? 2x.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have 4x squared. Bro, I can't solve this, bro. It's too hard.
No, you got it. Come on.
2x times 2 positive 4x.
طب I have a idea for you برا.
لا انت نوتي انت ما تحكي معي.
حبيبي take out the 2 طيب take out the 2x.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to do.
What take out the 2x?
Factorize it. Or simplify it.
صح. جود انت واحد شاطر.
See, the naughty helped you.
Damn.
But I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, you do.
Factor. How would I factor?
You just take 2 as a common factor.
Bro, I don't know these words, bro. I don't know what this means, bro. It's like 2. You mean like 2 times 2x and then 3x or 3?
Huh?
Wait, the common factor would be 2x.
Bro.
Bro, the
No,
greatest
the
number
common factor would be 2 too.
it would be 2. Okay, tell me.
Because the one under you can't take 2x.
So it's gonna be 2 times x minus 2x plus 3.
What? Look.
Bro, you said factor it.
Yeah, the up one is gonna be 2 times 2x minus 3.
That's what I said.
Isn't that what you said? I didn't focus. Bro, I can't solve it.
2x minus 3
Yeah.
and 2x minus 2.
No, wait. Wait. It's 2x squared minus 3x.
Bro, this doesn't work. It doesn't work because you have 4x squared and 6x. So the greatest common factor is gonna be 2x.
No, look at the one under. You can't take 2x, so you won't be able to simplify. Just take 2. Do you get it?
No.
Retard. Listen.
It's recording, bro.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
I'm joking. I was joking.
What? يا مستر بليز ساعدنا مستر مش فاهم ولا شيء عم بيقولوا لي 2x ما 2x مستر شو هالحكي؟
Wait, mister, I think I figured it out.
Which of the following is equivalent to this? First of all, can you hear my voice?
Yes.
Right. First of all, okay, you can factor.
How, mister?
You can do it long division. Okay, don't do anything. Just go and do it long division.
Oh.
Don't waste your time. 4x squared minus 6x. All right, plus 0, let's say. Okay, there is nothing. I have to make it standard form. And then 2x plus 2. Long division, and that's going to be correct answer. I will start taking the first value in here, take first term in here. So it is going to be 4x squared divided by 2x. Jawad, why you close the camera? What is the answer? It's going to be 2x.
Sorry, I thought I closed my mic, but I closed both. My bad.
So 2x, all right? So you multiply the 2x with the first and 2x with the second. 2x times 2x is going to be 4x squared. Yes?
Yes.
2x times 2, what is it? It's a 4x. And now you subtract, sir. So while you're subtracting, you have to be careful about the concept. Okay, I told you that this is a mistake. A student will do this mistake. Careful, don't do it, please. Don't do this mistake, okay? And now 4x squared minus x squared is going to be a 0. Minus 6 minus 4 is going to be minus 10x. Minus 10x, careful. Okay, plus a 0, there is nothing. Let's take a 0 down. Now take the first term and take the first term.
Negative 10x over 2x هتكون negative 5.
Over 2x, exactly. هتكون
لا هتكون 5. هتكون 5.
أخي negative 5.
No,
because
okay,
negative 10 divided by 2x, okay? I guess I will stop. I'm not going to resume it. Do you know why? Because what is your answer you have? 2x minus 5. The only one has 2x minus 5 is B. I will show you, okay? I will show you, I will resume it, but that's you stop. Basically, in SAT test, you will stop. Why you will stop? Because you found the answer. But here I will do it. Minus 5 times 2x. Jawad, don't do it again.
What? No, I was just checking a wound on my hand.
Okay, so minus 2x times minus 5 times 2x is going to be minus 10x. Minus 5 times 2 is going to be negative 10.
وإذا حبا حيكون remainder عشان حيعملوا cancel.
Cancel these zeros. So 0 minus 10 is going to be plus 10. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
So basically, this is your answer. I told you this is your answer. And 10 over the same fraction, the same 2 plus 2. 2x plus 2.
Mr. I have one question لجواد وبراق. Why did they told me to factor?
You can factor. No, okay, that's correct. They're correct. To factor, take a 2 common factor up and take a 2 common factor down. They can do that also, but that's going to be complicated. خلاص, you have a long division, do it, and sallallahu barak.
Mr. Which one is faster, this or the factor?
This one.
يعني افتروا علينا الشباب على الفاضي.
All right, more. Have fun with question 33. It's not long division, it's expressions, all right? It's just an expression. Try to find the answer of this expression. This is not a long division. It's not about any of the division, all right? Adjust an expression and try to find the answer of this expression. Okay, guys. Yalla, have fun. I'm gonna give you a help. Take the denominator and try to fix the denominator first.
تمام.
شو fix the denominator مش فاهم. Sir, I say it's B, mister.
What?
I say it's B.
Okay, don't say it then. All right, let me solve it for you. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do this. I'll take the denominators, guys. 1 over a minus 2 plus 1 over a minus 6. You see what I'm doing? I'm taking the denominators only. I will take the denominator only, and I will try to make the same denominator. What is the denominator here? It's an a minus 2. What is the denominator there? It's a minus 6. You see it?
A minus 6, yeah.
Okay, I will multiply here by a minus 6. I will multiply here by a minus 2. And why are you doing the same denominator? You multiply up and down. You multiply up and down.
أخ يا رب.
A minus 6 times 1, it's a minus 6. A minus 6 times a plus 2, you keep it. Sorry, a minus 6 times a minus 2. Plus a minus 2 times 1, it's a minus 2. A minus 6, a minus 2, that's it. It's going to be a minus 6, a minus 2. All right? Now, do I have a same denominator? Yes. What is the same denominator? It's a minus 6, a minus 2. All right? Which is going to equals to what? Let's multiply the rule foil, as you said, Mr. Barak. A times a is a squared. A times minus 2 is going to be minus 2a. Minus 6 times a, it is going to be minus 6a. And minus 6 times minus 2, it is going to be plus 12. And this is equals to, again, I'm dealing only with denominator, all right? I'm dealing only with denominator. A squared, now minus 2 minus 6 is going to be minus 8. A squared minus 8a plus 12. Any problem to now? No.
No.
Quadratic formula.
Right, now, normal, what is the quadratic formula?
أنه بس solve it like factor it.
That, so quadratic formula, if you have an equation, you don't have an equation, you have an expression.
Ya Allah.
So, a minus 6 plus a plus minus 2. Now add the a's together, it's going to be 2a. Add the 6 and minus 2 is going to be minus 8, yes? Now, I will take a 2 as a common factor. What is it going to be? A minus 4. So all of this is what? All of this, it is the place of denominator. All of this, I would replace it instead of that. But before I move on, I'm just going to remind you with the formula. Do you remember that when you have a fraction, or do you know that if you have a fraction over another fraction, what you would do?
Circle.
Who knows what you do?
B times C, A times D or something.
Fraction over fraction.
Okay, what do you do?
You can do the thing A مع C I think D مع B.
A مع D, A and D and B or C with C. But I have a faster way. I have a good way, which is the math way says, take the numerator fraction, do it the same. Multiply, take the denominator fraction and flip it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So now instead of this, I'm just going to do this. Listen, instead of the denominator, I will write this one, the one I found. So I'm gonna say 2 over a divided by, and instead of doing all of this, I will write its equivalent, which is gonna be multiplied by 2, a minus 4 over a squared minus 8a plus 12. What I told you about this one, I told you once you have a fraction of a fraction, the numerator fraction, keep it the same. Multiplied.
fraction over fraction over fraction.
لا مش fraction over fraction over fraction. That's a fraction. That's a over b divided by c over d. Same as I told you, Mr. Bara.
كلها c over d.
كلها c over d, exactly. Multiplied by what? By d over c is going to be, so I will multiply by a squared minus 8a plus 12 over 2a minus 4. Okay. Now, just I want to simplify. I'm going to cancel the 2 with the 2. So what still I have? I still have a squared up minus 8a plus 12. And here, let's multiply the a by a is going to be a squared. The a by minus 4 is going to be minus 4a. And that's the answer is... Which one? I guess C. You like it, صح؟
بس شو يعني؟
شو لحتى نتدرب يا صديقي.
بس كثير طويلة.
يلا have fun with this. 34. Or wait, that's better one. 35. Yeah, do 35.
يلا يا مستر.
بس هذا اللي ما بفهمه بالماث، بس نحن درسنا لونج ديفيجن ما بدي اجيب لنا هيدا الاكسبرشن ولا اشياء بضيع.
طيب يلا do 35.
35. ماشي.
Mister, it's A. Mr. A.
Don't try to guess, sir. Try to solve.
يعني بضربها خلاص حاضربها. Mister, it's actually A. I'm not joking.
Wait, actually, let me see. No, wait.
شو لا انت. Actually, like 16 over 7x plus 4. 16 over 4. 4. And like 16 over 7x.
Bara. I think. Yeah. How did you get A?
Calculated guess. And like 7x over 4.
Wait, but
And like 4 over 7x. هيعمل بقى cross multiply.
I see. Wait, so you got listen, look at me.
لا ما تعمل لك cross multiply.
So you got the 7 and the thingy. You got the 7x. Oh yeah. You actually might be right.
I know.
Should I do it?
Yes,
Yeah,
Mister.
yeah,
No, wait, Mr. Wait, hold on. 1 second.
Where is Mu'adh?
Mu'adh.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, Allah yarham. He's busy.
Mister, يلا solve it, Mister.
Oh, wait, Mr. Wait.
يلا Mister.
والله تعبان.
No, I can't factor.
Bro, خلاص bro, just give up.
Bro.
Bro,
I
just
don't
give up actually. Yeah.
It's A, bro. It's actually A.
Okay, let's go. That was a good stretch.
It's B.
It's
that's
B.
what I'm
I
saying.
told you.
That's
I
what
actually
said.
told you.
That's what
I told
said.
you it's B.
No, but you said A, I said B, remember?
No, but my name is Bora, so I said B.
Okay.
16, yeah, okay, stay with me. 16 over 7x plus 4 plus A He said that equivalent. What does it mean equivalent?
Equal.
Equal to this. 49x squared over 7x plus 4. All right, we're looking for a value of a, yes?
Yeah.
We're looking for a value of a. I will move this one other side. Because we're looking for a value of a, so let's move this other side. So we have an a equals a 49x squared over 7x plus 4 minus 16 over 7x plus 4. Okay, now, do I have a same denominator or not? Do I have a same denominator or not?
Yes.
So the same denominator is going to be 7x plus 4. The numerators now, I'm going to do the numerators, Mr. Bara. It is going to be this minus this. So it's going to be 49x squared minus 16. Okay? And look what is going to happen right now. Look what is going to happen. Now, the 49x squared, Mr. Bara, I can write it as a 7x squared. Can I? You can, sure. Minus 16, you can do it as a 4 square. Can I? Yes, you can. You sure? Over what? 7x plus 4. And now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this. This is, if you remember, dear Mr. Bara, it's a squared minus b squared. Do you remember this one? You remember this one? Can you hear my voice? Am I talking myself?
A minus B, A plus B.
A minus b, a plus b.
So,
So I will do this. It's going to be 7x minus 4. And it's going to be 7x plus 4. All over 7x plus 4. And now have fun by canceling the 7x plus 4 with the 7x plus 4. So the final answer is going to be, as I told you, it's 7x minus 4.
so close.
Are we good with the concept? Jawad, are we good with the concept?
Yes, yes.
Somehow today we finished the whole concept of chapter 6.
Nice.
All right, this
We're
is it.
done.
We're done today. Yes.
Thomas, I have a question.
I'm not going to resume. I'm not going to give you anything now because we have still like somehow 10 minutes. I'm not going to start with a new chapter. We started with a new chapter next Wednesday. Is it
So
Wednesday?
can I do the introduction?
Which one?
The introduction.
All right, just count to 10 and count to 3 and say it.
Mr.
Well,
Wait, I have a question. I have a question.
Before Jawad starts the introduction, I have a question.
Mr. This, how is it related to long division?
It's not. But just this is a good question. I want to solve it. And even this one is long division, yeah, Mr. Bara. This thing is long division, yes, sir. You can do that.
No.
49x squared plus 0x minus 16 and divided by 7x plus 4.
Mr. I feel like there's something missing with me, like with this stuff. When I see this, I don't know what to do.
I will tell you. The missing thing is you don't have the books. Do you have the books?
I have notebooks.
That's why we told you to bring the books so you can
Yeah,
practice.
you actually need to practice. Like practice makes
Do you
perfect.
download the PDFs?
Yes.
No, you don't. Did you print the PDFs?
No, but I have them downloaded.
Yeah.
He has them downloaded, but he doesn't open them, yani.
Yes. Just wait, because I want to curse.
Wait, let me do the introduction. طيب.
لا, I will